Hi everyone, how is going? Today I gonna set up Squarespace purchase conversion tracking through Google Tag Manager for Google Ads. So let's get started together. To do the setup, we need some required tools. At first, we need a Squarespace website. Then we need Google Tag Manager. Then we need purchase data layer to send the purchase event and include the eCommerce value, the item ID, everything. Then we need Google Ad account, and in here I have already included all the steps. So at first we have to do this kind of thing. So I have included all the data layer, everything here, and I also included the screenshot. So this is our Google Tag Manager. Then this is Squarespace website. This is Google Ads account, and all the tools are required. So at first we have to install Google Tag Manager script on the website header. So this is the steps already included. At first we have to add the Google Tag Manager on the header. So let me copy the Tag Manager header code. Then on the Squarespace we have to go to the home page, then website, another website, click on the pages, then code, custom code, then code injector. In here I will find the header, the footer, then order confirmation page and order status page. So we have to add the header code here. So let me add the tag manager here, then save. Now we can test the tag manager is working or not. So let me do it, and we have to add the website URL. I have the website URL here. So this one actually is Squarespace landing page URL. You can do it, just preview. Okay, this one, then connect. I hope it will connect. Yeah, it is connecting. It is connected, and I'm getting the data. Oh, it is on the dashboard, but it is working. We have to log out to see the actual data. I will do it later, but at first let me also add the data layer code. So let me go back to the page, then custom code injector, and here is the data layer. We have to add it on the order status page. So copy, then order status page, just paste here, then just save it. Now we can log out to test the actual data layer and GTM things. So home, then let log out. Here we can log out. So log out. Now we can test the actual page here. Just this one will work, I hope. Yeah, it is working. Okay, the debug is also working. Okay, it means we have successfully added the Google Tag Manager on the website header, and it is sending the data to Google Tag Manager from the Squarespace landing page or website. Now we have to make a purchase to test the actual purchase conversion data layer. Okay, I will do it. So let me start. On here I see some product. I will go to the shop. Okay, now let me open a product. Okay, I see it is getting data, but let me inform you again, that is we are just tracking the purchase. Okay, we are not tracking the view cart or add to cart or view item. So we will not get any view item or add to cart data here. We will get just purchase data for Squarespace. So let me add to cart, then we already have it on the cart. So checkout, then yeah, we have to add the information here, then add another address or something, then continue. To test purchase I have a coupon code, let me use it, that is test. So let me apply. Oh, it is already applied. Okay, so it is already applied. Let me continue, then purchase. I hope we will get the purchase data layer. Okay, we have completed the purchase. Let me check the data. Okay, we got the purchase data layer, and under the purchase we will get the transaction ID, the value, the currency, then everything here. Let me check on the here. Okay, for we can send the transaction ID, the value, the currency, and for the enhanced conversion for Google Ads especially, we can send this information, this email address, to enhance the conversion. Okay, we will do it very soon. Let me analyze the data layer. Under the event we are getting purchase, then e-commerce, everything here, then order subtotal here. Okay, it is working very perfectly. Alright, so we are getting purchase data layer perfectly. Now we have to send it to Google Ads. So let me do it. We have to go to the Google Tag Manager. Then at first we have to create some variable that are required for Google Ads. At first we need transaction ID, then currency, then order value. So let me do it. So under the event, this is the purchase. Let me do it. Purchase event, then yeah, custom event. So we have to create purchase trigger, and it will be a custom event. So it is a purchase, then save it. Then we have to create the variable, for example the value, the transaction ID, everything. So under the e-commerce we have the transaction ID. So let me do it. We have to use data layer variable, then e-commerce dot transaction ID, the key will be. Okay, so data layer variable e-commerce dot transaction ID, because under the e-commerce we have transaction ID, value and currency. So transaction ID, and this is the transaction ID. Now we have to create the currency, but I think we don't have any currency. Oh, we have the currency here, so we can create, no problem. So currency, I thought we don't have, but we have. So data layer, e-commerce dot currency. Okay, now we need the value. For Google Ad we need 3 parameter required: the transaction ID, the currency and the value. So under the e-commerce we have the value, so we can use the key e-commerce dot value. Data layer, e-commerce dot value, and it will be a value. Value means the revenue of the purchase, transaction total it will be. So trigger, we have the variable. Now we have to create the tag. Let me go back to the Google Ads and create a tag. In here we have to create a tag, so it will be Squarespace purchase. So let me copy this Squarespace here, use the same thing. Okay, it will be full URL. At first we have to use it. So scan. Okay, it is scanning. Now we have to create the conversion manually, so add a conversion action manually. Then it will be purchase, and I want to keep the name purchase, then Squarespace. So now value will be dynamic and every, yeah, perfectly. Then enhance conversion I will set up it, so keep it okay, keep it set. So done, then save and continue. Now we will get the ID and label. So this is the conversion ID and this is the label. We have to use it on tag manager. Let me copy first the ID, so tags, then Google Ad conversion, and ID here, then label we have to use it here. And we also need 2 tags to send the Google Ad conversion data. At first we need a conversion linker tag, and we also need a Google tag. Okay, I will do it later, let me finish it first. So conversion value, we have a variable. Let me just link it, the value. Transaction ID, we also have transaction ID, this one. Then we also have the currency. Okay, now trigger, we have the purchase trigger, and I see no Google tag found, so we have to create it. So just create Google tag, this one, the Google tag. Yeah, it is perfect, and trigger is perfect, so just save it. Then Google Ad, everything is working. Yeah, now it's found. Then save it and keep the name Google Ad purchase or something as you like best. So save it. Now we need the linker tag, so let me do it. Yeah, conversion linker, trigger will be all page. Then conversion linker, I want to keep the Google Ad, I want to keep the name it. Okay, now perfect. Now we can test it, then preview again. Okay, the preview should work. It is getting the data. Now just purchase a product, go back to the shop. Okay, oh, it is password protected. Let me, okay, now it is working. I don't want to save it. So small, add to cart, checkout, continue. Okay, we have to use the coupon, that is test. Yeah, okay, everything is updating, continue. Okay, make the purchase again, the purchase. I hope the Google Ad conversion tracking will work now. Okay, it is working perfectly, I think. Let me check the data. In here I can check the variable. So currency USD, it is working. Event, purchase, perfect. Transaction ID 008. Okay, value is 0. Okay, it is working perfectly. Everything is working from the data layer. Now the Google Ad purchase conversion tracking is working perfectly. Now we have to just enable the enhance conversion to improve the data quality. So let me do it. We need to create another variable, that is for email, because in here we have only the email. Okay, we don't have any phone number, so I will use only the email for the enhanced conversion. So let me create a variable for email. It will be data layer, same variable. So it will be just custom email address. Yeah, email address, because it is not under the e-commerce. So let me test it. We have to go to the tags, then we have to open the Google Ad purchase conversion. Okay, let me open it. Then just include user provided data from your website. Then create another variable. It will be user provided data variable, so it is user data. Then no, manually, yeah, manually. Then just select the email, then save it. Okay, now the enhanced conversion for Google Ad will work, so save it. Okay, perfect. Now we can test again. Preview. Now we have to purchase again. So shop, another shop, I gonna purchase this one now. Yeah, add to cart, checkout. Okay, let me fill up the email address and all the information here and use the same coupon code again. That is the test. Okay, perfect, it is working. Okay, now continue. Okay, okay, then now the Google Ad conversion tracking should work with the enhanced conversion data. Purchase, in here we can test the enhanced conversion data. For example, email. Okay, email is getting, it means the Google Ad enhanced conversion data, enhanced conversion tracking with enhanced data is working. So we can also see it in here. Now it is inactive, but after reloading the page it should show something like no recent conversion or something. Okay, it is showing no reset conversion. It means it is working with enhanced conversion data. Okay, all right, I hope you got all my points, but if you have any question you can comment me, or if you need any help you can schedule a call with me, or you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching the full video.